Good morning guys. Today is January 2, 2025. And for today's vlog ay nandito kami ngayon sa Bolinao, Pangasinan. Dumating kami kagabi mga around 9:30 PM. Papunta na kami ngayon guys sa beach. So first time ko dito. Natutuwa lang ako kasi nandito yung transient house na pinapagawa ni Kuya Patrick. Si Kuya Patrick, siya yung kaibigan ko sa Cayman na dati kong kasama sa bahay. At isa sa malaking naipundar nila nung girlfriend niya is itong transient house dito. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung itsura nung tinitigilan namin. Ngayon ay pupunta muna kami sa Patar Beach. Isa sa nagbo-boom na beach dito sa Pilipinas. So let's go guys. Sabay-sabay natin tingnan ang kagandahan ng Patar. Let's go!
Good morning, Pangasinan!
Hindi ganun kapino yung buhangin niya guys. Medyo makapal. Maganda pa din sa part na yun. Yun o.
Hindi nga. Parang hindi mo lang narinig yung island humping.
Alam ko.
Island humping? Ay, ganun ba?
Eh, dun sa malakas sa alon yung bato niya.
Para tayong mga hindi taga beach din eh.
Oo, huwag kayo magkapahalata.
Pa, ilang oras nga ito from Manila? 5 oras? O, yung biyahe papunta dito guys is 5 hours from Metro Manila.
Galing sa Alabang, Skyway.
Galing sa Alabang Skyway, ayun. Gabi pa yun, so pag umaga siguro mas hahaba pa yan. Kasi gawa ng traffic. Ayan, ito na yung bandang dulo nitong Patar Beach.
May naisip na ako negosyo.
Ano?
Gagawa ako ng sand castle na nakalagay I love Bolinao.
I love Bolinao. Tapos pagkakakitaan nyo nun pa.
Oo, 50 pesos isang picture.
50 pesos ang picture. Tawa naman yun. 20 nga lang sa white. Sulit yun.
20 lang, o di 20 lang.
Hindi naman kayo makakagawa naman.
Dali-daling gumawa no. Palibasa hindi kayo lumaki sa dagat.
For rent. Papag, open cottage.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time.
Oh, tara na, tara na. Ayun si mama, hindi naligo. Ayun si papa, nandun sa sulok. Okay guys, pabalik na kami sa dun sa transient house. Oh, may ganito pala dito, may. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito at magkaroon ng magandang experience sa stay ninyo, pwede nyo kontakin tong contact numbers na to, pati yung Facebook page nila. And ayan, dito to sa Corpus Compound Transient House. Ayan si ate. Oo na naman ate. Ayan, kung gusto nyo pumunta dito sa Patar at magkaroon ng magandang experience sa Transient House, kontakin nyo lang si ate Laila Carolino. Ayan, so ilagay ko dito yung contacts, ayan, pati yung Facebook page nila para madali nyo silang makontak guys. Siya yung girlfriend ni Kuya Patrick guys, nakasama ko sa Cayman. Taga dito siya guys, si ate Laila. Hindi mo na siya papauwin. Ayan guys, bibigyan na natin to kay ate Laila, all the way from Cayman. Ate, pinapabigay ni Kuya Patrick.
Nay, para sa'yo. Alam ko wala kayong Pasko. Pero ano, dito for Christmas. Hope you like it.
Opo. And guys, so nandito tayo sa first floor ng unit ni na Kuya Patrick. Ito nga yung transient house nila. So ito good for 6 to 8 packs. So may itsura. Ayan, may ref. Kompleto sa kitcheneries. Then merong 2 rooms. Ayan guys. Louis Vuitton. May aircon na din. Dito rin sa kabila. Ganun. So, ito yung CR. Ayan. Sulit na guys. Pwede ka mag-stay dito. Ito naman guys yung loft house. Sa ground floor din ito ng mismong building. So ayan. May living room. Meron din kitchen. Then nandun yung bedroom sa taas guys. Ayan guys. Ito ay good for 2 to 6 packs. Ito yung loft house. Ayan. So guys, ito na yung second pad nila. So isa to sa pinakamagandang pwede yung pag-stayan dito sa Patar. Makikita nyo rin siya sa Airbnb. So ito na yung second pad din ako, Patrick at Ate Naila. And guys, bale, punta naman tayo dun sa kanila roof deck kung saan pwede kang tumambay. Yan guys, dito na natin tapusin itong vlog natin. Yun na guys, tayo kayong mag-iingat and God bless.